Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Spotify downloaded songs properly, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your Spotify downloaded songs, start by ensuring you are using a compatible device. Check that you have the Spotify app installed and are logged into your account. Understand that Spotify songs are encrypted and can only be played within the app itself. This means you cannot directly copy or transfer downloaded songs to another location. For proper backup, consider using your local playlists as a primary organization tool. Create a playlist of your favorite songs within Spotify for quick access later. Next, check if you have Spotify Premium, as only premium users can download songs. To back up your data, you can export your playlists using a third-party service or application. Websites like Tunema Music or Soundias can help you transfer your playlists to other platforms. Follow the instructions on the chosen service to export your Spotify playlists. For those who prefer more manual methods, take note of your favorite songs and artists. Use a spreadsheet or notes app to list these songs for future reference. You can also consider using a screen recording tool to capture your listening sessions. However, note that this method is not a perfect backup and may have limitations. Another option is to look into creating a playlist on a different music service. You can use your exported playlist to recreate it in services where downloads are available. Remember, you can always re-download songs if you have an active Spotify Premium subscription. Regularly check your playlists to ensure your favorite songs are still available. This will help you maintain an up-to-date reference of your music collection. Lastly, consider the option to purchase songs or albums from digital music stores for permanent access. By following these steps, you can effectively prepare for future music access. Ensuring you have a backup plan for your music will enhance your listening experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.